Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the sleek world of luxury automobiles with a first look at the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class. This beauty is set to redefine what it means to drive in style and comfort. So buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this stunning coupe and convertible. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class made its grand debut last spring, stepping in as a replacement for the beloved C-Class and E-Class coupes and convertibles. For its sophomore year, it seems like Mercedes is sticking to the winning formula, keeping everything that made the CLE-Class a hit. But don't worry, high-performance AMG versions are on the horizon, just not quite yet. Now let's talk power. The CLE-Class comes with two turbocharged engine options. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a respectable 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, while the available 3.0-liter V6 turbo cranks it up to a thrilling 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Both engines come with mild hybrid assist and a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, making all-wheel drive standard across the board. Plus, you can expect solid fuel efficiency. The four-cylinder coupe boasts an EPA rating of 24 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway, while the V6 isn't far behind. Perfect for those who want performance without sacrificing efficiency. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxurious interior that's packed with technology. A stunning 12.3-inch digital instrument display and an 11.9-inch vertical touchscreen put everything you need right at your fingertips. And for audiophiles, the 17-speaker Burmester sound system will make every drive a concert experience. With features like heated power front seats and a glass roof panel, the CLE-Class is designed for both comfort and style. Plus, you can tweak the car's personality to suit your mood, whether you're in the mood for performance or luxury. Safety is a top priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the CLE-Class does not disappoint. Standard features include blind spot monitoring, automatic high beams, and automatic emergency braking. For those who want even more, there's an option package that includes adaptive cruise control and lane change assist. While the CLE-Class hasn't been rated by safety agencies yet, we expect it to perform well when the tests come in. Now let's talk numbers. The CLE-Class starts at around $57,650 for the four-cylinder coupe, while the V6 models begin at $66,800. The convertible starts at $65,500. With its competition including the Audi A5 and BMW 4 Series, the CLE-Class is definitely positioned to make waves in the luxury market. And mark your calendars, the 2025 CLE-Class is expected to hit dealerships in spring 2025. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this preview of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more luxury car updates. See you on the road!